Imagine waking up in the morning and your coffee machine has already prepared your favorite brew. Your phone suggests what you should wear based on the weather, and your car takes you to work without you even touching the steering wheel. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But guess what? This isn't the future. This is now, and it's all thanks to one groundbreaking technology: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a futuristic fantasy. It's already shaping our lives in ways most people don't even realize. From Netflix recommending your next favorite show to self-driving cars navigating through busy streets, AI is silently but powerfully transforming everything around us. But what exactly is AI? How does it work? And more importantly, what does the future hold? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to learn will completely change how you see the world. A simple yet powerful introduction of AI. At its core, artificial intelligence is all about teaching machines to think and learn like humans, or at least perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Things like recognizing faces, understanding speech, making decisions, or even creating art. But here's the key. AI doesn't actually think like we do. Instead of emotions and instincts, AI relies on data, algorithms, and patterns to make decisions. It's like training a really smart assistant that never sleeps, never forgets, and never gets tired. Now let's go a little deeper. AI can be divided into different levels, and each level brings us closer to machines that actually think like us. Number 1, narrow AI. Right now, all the AI we use is what's called narrow AI, meaning it's only good at one specific task. When Siri or Alexa understands your voice, that's AI. When Google Translate converts languages instantly, that's AI. When Netflix recommends the perfect show for you, that's AI. But notice something? Each of these AI systems is amazing at one thing, but useless at everything else. Siri can't drive a car, and Tesla's self-driving AI can't write you a poem. That's because today's AI is trained to do one job at a time, and that's why it's called narrow AI. Number 2, general AI. Now imagine an AI that isn't limited to just one job. Imagine a machine that can think, reason, and adapt just like a human. That's called general AI, and it's what scientists are working hard to create. If general AI becomes a reality, it would mean computers could learn anything, not just specific tasks. A self-driving car could also be your personal assistant. A chatbot could also design buildings. In short, machines wouldn't just be tools, they'd be like artificial minds. Number 3, super AI. Now let's take it one step further. Imagine an AI that's not just as smart as a human, but way smarter. An AI that can solve problems better than the best scientists, think creatively like an artist, and even improve itself without human help. This is called super AI, and while it sounds like science fiction, some experts believe it could become a reality within the next 50 to 100 years. But here's where things get interesting. Machines that act like humans. AI isn't just powering apps and websites, it's also bringing robots to life. Some of the most advanced robots in the world are already doing things that once seemed impossible. Let's take a look at a few. 1. Sophia, the social robot, Hong Kong. Sophia is one of the most famous AI robots in the world. Created by Hanson Robotics, Sophia can hold conversations, recognize emotions, and even crack jokes. She has traveled the world, spoken at conferences, and even became the first robot to receive citizenship in Saudi Arabia. 2nd, Atlas, the humanoid robot, USA. Created by Boston Dynamics, Atlas is one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever built. It can run, jump, backflip, and even parkour. Imagine a robot that moves like an athlete. Atlas is exactly that. 3. Ameca, the most expressive AI robot, UK. Ameca, developed by Engineered Arts, is the most realistic humanoid robot when it comes to facial expressions. It can smile, frown, and even look surprised, making it feel almost human. Fourth, Asimo, the Honda robot, Japan. Asimo is a walking, talking AI-powered robot built by Honda. It can climb stairs, carry objects, and even serve drinks. A glimpse into a future where robots help us with daily tasks. 5. Tesla Optimus, the future of work, USA. Elon Musk's company Tesla is working on a humanoid robot called Optimus. This AI-powered robot is designed to help with household chores, factory work, and other everyday tasks. Musk believes that in the future, robots like Optimus will handle most dangerous or boring jobs. And these are just a few examples. AI-powered robots are becoming smarter every day, and soon, they could be as common as smartphones. The power and dangers of AI, should we be excited or worried? AI is already changing the world, and its potential is limitless. It can cure diseases, reduce accidents, and even explore space. But with great power comes great responsibility. And some people are worried that AI could become too powerful. Let's look at both sides. The good side of AI. How AI is making the world better. Healthcare. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately than ever before. Self-driving cars. AI-powered vehicles could reduce accidents and make transportation safer. Education. AI tutors can provide personalized learning for students around the world. Creativity. AI is now composing music, designing buildings, and even writing scripts like this one. Sounds amazing, right? But here's where things get tricky. The risks of AI, should we be concerned? Job loss. Many people fear AI will replace millions of human jobs. Will machines take over the workforce? Privacy issues. AI collects huge amounts of data about us. Are we okay with that? AI becoming too powerful. What happens if AI becomes so intelligent that humans can't control it anymore? The truth is, AI isn't good or bad. It's just a tool. It all depends on how we use it. How does AI actually work? The magic behind the machine. AI isn't guessing, it's learning. What's next for AI? The future is closer than you think. AI in space. NASA is already using AI to explore planets and predict space weather. AI doctors. In the future, AI might detect diseases before symptoms even appear. AI companions. Ever imagined a robot best friend? AI-powered companions might soon become reality. AI artists. AI is already creating stunning artworks, and who knows? Maybe the next Mona Lisa will be painted by AI. The possibilities are endless, but one thing is clear. AI is here to stay, and it's only getting smarter. So now that you understand what AI is, how it works, and where it's going, the real question is, are you excited for the future of AI, or does it scare you? One thing's for sure. AI is not just the future, it's the present. And whether we like it or not, it's already shaping the world around us. The only question left is, how will we use it? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest uploads. AI is changing fast, and we're here to keep you informed every step of the way. See you in the next video.